2020 GMC Canyon / Colorado cabin filter. If you want to get to it, you're gonna need to remove the glove box door. First step, you're gonna get rid of the damper by just pulling down on it. If you just pull down, you can see how it kind of disconnects here in the glove box. But it's just this little plastic pin. Okay. Once you get it done like that, you can let go of it. Now if we look further down in there, right about here where my finger is, this is where the hinge is. We're going to remove this hinge pin that's right here. There's like it's like a head that kind of looks like a nail almost. We're actually looking at something that looks like this. I've already removed the one that is on this side here. There's two of them. To get the pin out, what you're going to do is just get a flathead screwdriver and you're just going to pry it a little bit and pull it right out. That screwdriver and just pry it right out right here. Right. Once you get it kind of out a little bit, it'll just come right out. Right, so here it is here. And once you get the pin out, you can open the glove box and it will just, the door will just come right off. Cabin filter's right in here. Press this tab in and then you can remove the front cover door. So this truck's pretty new, so this filter's gonna be pretty clean, but I'll leave a link down in the description box if you need one. And just pull it right out and there you go.